Hi, this is just a quick video to show you our Solve Me puzzles for this week. So if you go to the Solve Me puzzles and then you click on the first one, it's going to bring you to this screen. There's a couple different ones here, but today we're going to talk about the mobiles. So if you open it up, I just want you to know that if you would like, you can log in. You can put it in Google Classroom, have your students log in. It'll save your progress. But really what's cool about this is there's two options. There's a play option or a build option. If you click on the play option, there are three different types of puzzles. There's Explorer, which is just the very beginning. There's the Puzzler, which is the little bit harder ones. And then there's the Master, which get pretty complicated. So if we open this up, there's a couple of cool features. You can click on it and you'll notice that this top number here is the hanging weight. So this is kind of like a balance or a scale, and the total is 8. And they've told us that each one is worth 2. And a couple of the features is you can draw. So as your students are talking, you can record what they say. So they know if this side is 2 and 2, then this side also, to make it balanced, needs to be 2 plus 2, which is 4. And then this 4 and this 4 makes this 8. If you click here and you put the 4, it's going to submit, and it's going to tell them if they're correct or incorrect. Another cool thing about this, notice this one here, it doesn't have a hanging weight. It doesn't tell you what the total weight is, but it does give you some sort of a clue. So we know that each heart is worth 2. And so we know that if each one is worth 2, 4, 6, and then if this one was worth 2, that means something plus 2 must equal 6 to keep it balanced. Now let's say that your student says, well, it must be worth 1. Watch what happens. It says that it's not heavy enough. And so this right here is one way that they know that they're either not heavy enough or not correct. And if you're going through, if you get too heavy, it's going to go the opposite direction. Now, another cool thing is if you grab this, oops, I got to get in the pencil mark. If I grab this and I pull it over, it's going to turn it into an equation, kind of like X's and Y's, but with hearts, and it's going to be stars and different types of shapes. Okay. So if I go back out, like I said, they get harder and harder. You can pick which one you want. There's the double hanging weight. So this one right here, there's tutorials that happen. It has to be even, but then these ones also have to be even. And it gives you that weight there. Another thing that I wanted to show you that was pretty cool is that you can either do this whole group sometimes, or you can load it into Google Classroom. They can solve their progress. We've had times where we wanted to use it as an opening task, and so we will go to the snipping tool here. Oops. And we'll find a puzzle that we like and take a snapshot of it, and then we will copy it and paste it into our opening task paper that we want. So that's kind of a nice feature because then they can write right on it. Another thing that I wanted to show you just really quickly is that if you tell them, hey, you're going to work through like the first 10 or 20 through 30 or 1 through 5 on your own, they can also build their own. So we can really work on building them. And if they're saving them, the ones they build, they can save, and then you can play each other's. All right. Just wanted to share that resource with you. Thanks for watching.